Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I will be talking about SRC Decor World. Now as the name says, they deal in decor pieces. They are basically a Chennai based company and they have their own website by the same name. I will link their website down below. You can find a variety of pieces on their website. They have categories like metal wall decor, customized items, nameplates, then hooks, metal partitions, wall clocks, and now they have also launched their own furniture. Best part about the website is the customized option that they give. You can actually get your own picture in the form of metal art. So I think that option is really cool. You can get your couple pictures in that form, or you can get a picture of your grandfather or something. Their pieces are appropriate for your own home, for your office, for cafes, or any other space that you want to beautify or you want to just give it a new fresh look. Before moving any further, let me show you what I got from them. Then I will show some of their pieces that are available on their website. And finally, I will reveal a coupon code from which you can get 10% discount from their website. This is the metal art that I got from SRC Decor World. This one is a world map wall metal art. This is available in two sizes. Mine is in the size 90 into 150 centimeters. I love the overall finishing of the product. It has black high quality matte polish and doesn't have any sharp edges. It's easy to clean too. This has given really classy look to my living room. I received the product in a really good packaging. They had like 2-3 layers of cardboard, then thermocol packaging, then the bubble wrap and everything. So you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in the transit. Installing their decor piece is really easy. You just need a drilling machine and you are done. You get these screws as well as the instructions with your decor piece. We called our carpenter and he fixed it in about 10 minutes. Let me show you some of the pieces that they have on their website. They have a variety of designs available in wall metal art. They have something for everyone, as you can already see. They have something for a dog lover, for someone who loves Game of Thrones or such kind of shows, then gym freaks, then these kind of motivational quotes that you can put up in your room. So basically the designs are really contemporary and can give your space a really modern look. They have these kind of wall decor too that you can put in your kitchen or your cafes or restaurants. Then they have a variety of designs available in wall clocks, again in metal. They have some really cool designs in metal wall hooks. They are not only a decor piece but can also be used to hang your clothes and your bags. If you want, you can also ask them to remove the hooks. Face metal art is something that I love the most on their website. You can see how close it is to the real picture. So you can get your own face or a face of your loved one in a form of a face metal art. And this can be a really good gifting option too. So you can try it out from their website. They have designer metal sheets which are perfect for gates, elevation and partitions. Name boards which are again customizable. And now they have also launched their own metal furniture. They have everything from wall shelves to shoe racks, study desks, organizers and more. They ship all over India and shipping is free for orders above ₹2000. If you have any other queries, you can chat with them on their website. They are really customer friendly and you can also follow them on their Instagram for latest updates. Now talking about the discount code, you can use the discount code NEW2020 to avail 10% discounts on wall decor, wall partitions, wall clocks and on metal furniture. I will link their website and their Instagram page down below. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.